we are again, chapter 3. Which member is gonna be in it? See if I can name them. Probably can't because I'm terrible with names. But I know we've had BX and Jin Young.
Chapter 3. It's like chapter 3, concept video 2. Okay, let's go.
These teasers, 21 seconds long. Half of it's the damn intro for the company. Oh, I don't know who that is. Oh, I don't know. Would it be? Oh, that's creepy. Oh, let's watch that again. That's creepy. Let's go. Tell me who that is too. I have no idea. Because in the teaser photos they all had dark hair too, so I can't really tell. Especially when he's upside down. Creepy! Jungle! Okay. Excuse my voice. Right, okay, that's creepy. This whole thing's creepy. I'm loving it. Tell me who that member was. It'll help me. It'll help me narrow down the last two as well. I'm terrible. Okay, I may or may not be back here tomorrow. If it drops again, I've got to work. So I might not be able to react straight after the teaser. I might have to react the next day after work because staying up till 1 o'clock in the morning editing every night is not good for me. But I will react to it regardless. Bye.